Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about recruitment of law officers announced by Bank of India. This is a recruitment which requires experience. We'll be talking all the details of this notification in this video. Before that, I want to tell you about my workshop which is scheduled for tomorrow, 11th March at 5 p.m. where I'll be discussing various career opportunities for law graduates. I'll be talking about the job profile and career opportunities in various domains: litigation, judiciary, law officer exams, corporate law firm, legal counsel, academics, everything, and what all exposure you can get in each of these job profile. Moreover, if you are targeting law officer exams, how you can best strategize your preparation, even take up a job and use that experience in the law officer profile. Now let's move to the notification details. This is the recruitment PDF. You can fill the application form from 8th of March to 23rd of March. The tentative date of online examination will be shared lately. You can see for law officer, it is a scale 2 post. This is specialist stream and total 17 vacancies are there for law officer post. Your age should be between 25 to 32. Then the scale of pay and eligibility criteria is given. The cutoff date for eligibility is 1st January 2025. Coming to the selection procedure, there will be online test and personal interview depending upon the number of applicants. In the online examination, there will be English language, professional knowledge and general awareness with special reference to banking industry. 25 marks for English language, 25 marks for general awareness and 100 marks for your professional knowledge part. There is 1/4 negative marking present in the exam. After your online written exam, there will be interview. The weightage ratio of online examination and interview is 80:20. In the annexure, there is details of the eligibility, the work experience required. For law officer post, there are 17 vacancies. Age should be between 25 to 32. You should be graduate in law. It can be 3 years or 5 years LLB from recognized university. As on date of notification, the candidate must possess professional experience of minimum 4 years post-qualification experience as practicing lawyer or with law firm or as law officer in bank, financial institution, state or central government or judicial officer. The experience as above can also be cumulative. So for law officer job profile, 4 years experience is mandatory. There is a single level examination, then there is interview. You don't have to study quant or reasoning. You have to just study English, some general awareness, and major portion is from law. After that, you will have interview. So these are all the details of this notification. If you have any queries related to this notification, related to preparation material for this exam, you can join this workshop and ask all your doubts from me. You can also check out our online course. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.